Philippines! Good evening, Monica Barrio. What's up, guys? We're just gonna run down to the car wash because yesterday in the city, parked one of the buildings throughout like 200 garbage bags. They piled them up on the curb, and they fell over and they were leaning on my car. And apparently, they leaked all kinds of crap on the car. So now I rinsed it off because it was all sticky and nasty, but it really needs to be washed.
So guys, he's been using my car. He parked in the city and he covered it with garbage city. City garbage. So in my side, guys, in my side right here outside, it's nasty. Because he said that the garbage, you know, fell all over the car. And he said it's sticky. Oh my God. And I see it now.
Well, you only see what was wiped off, so.
Oh, you wiped the rest of it? There's a lot in there?
It was that, you're seeing a little, you know, color in the water. I just had a water bottle squirt on there in a rag. Oh. But there was sticky stuff. You're not seeing any of that sticky stuff that's gone. But still dirty water.
So ang agenda ni Mr. Cabarrio, what's your agenda, Mr. Cabarrio? It's going to car the car. Seriously, Han?
Food. We want food.
Han, sir.
Food. We're hungry. Food.
Seriously, Han? We just left the house. Serious? Guys, I'm sorry. He loves smoking.
Food. Food.
He's smoking, guys. Again, never ending. Hala, the bird. Oh my God, Tommy.
I saw.
Is that theater garbage?
No, public garbage.
Huh? Public?
No, it's not public. It's all commercial buildings. It's a building.
Yeah, it's a building garbage. That means any different kind of thing.
And it's like that out of 100 garbage bags. And that's, you know,
Huh?
what do we want to do for dinner?
I can defrost some lamb. You want lamb?
I don't know. Guys, my wife's doing lipstick on a car, so if I do this, she'll get it out of her nose.
Seriously, honey. Honey, drive careful.
Nose.
Hot.
Nose stick. Guys, girls who like should never put on eye makeup in the car. God forbid you hit a pothole and poke your eye out.
Poke your eyes. You're done.
Lipstick, yeah, you look a little funny because you get it all over your face. But you know, that's what I was saying. Why do it in the car? Why don't you just do it? Take 2 minutes before you leave the house and do it. Why do it in the car? Don't know.
Anyway, guys, so if you see us wearing a sweater because it's a cold today, you can feel the winter already.
I'm not wearing no sweater, guys.
Yes, that's a sweater you're wearing.
No, it's a shirt.
So have, okay, hold on. Single wash. What is a single wash? Plus, what kind of wash do you want?
I don't know. A regular wash.
Regular wash, okay, just the it's very quiet over here, guys.
So $23.95 you get unlimited washes for a month.
23? Na only one car.
Right.
Only one car,
It's
no?
$12 just for the one wash. So even if you get 2 washes, you already paid for yourself. So you do the 23.
23 in a month?
23 for the whole month. You get unlimited washes, so you can wash every day for a month.
Serious?
And it's really the cost of 2 car washes because it's $12 each. That's 12. Can we do that? $23.95 for a month? Is that it?
For a monthly, for a subscription to unlimited.
Okay.
So you have to pay with a card to get that.
Okay. Why is that?
Monthly, you pay
Do
monthly.
they keep recharging the card?
Literally, yeah.
Do they? They keep charging it?
Yeah, it's like a monthly recurring fee.
No,
but for the first
it's
month,
like a
it is
subscription.
Oh, what happens if you want to cancel it after a month?
You can. There's a little clipper here.
There's no exit fees. So if you want, you can get the membership now. You can cancel it in the tunnel. It's a whole month. You get the first whole month, $10. The next month, depending on the wash, could either be 50, 32, 24.
Well,
each membership is the price of 2 washes.
Right.
So you can get your car washed 5 times, price of 2. But if you get it washed the 1 time, it's still the price of 2. So as long as you come twice a month, you're good.
Okay, but if I wanted to cancel it, I got to.
If you want to cancel it, all
I
you
got to
have
jump
to
through
do
hoops here. What?
is call this number. You call them. They're open, I think, until 5 on most days. I don't know if they're open on the weekends. You call them anytime. You're like, hey, I have a membership with Foam and Wash. I'd like to cancel it. They can cancel you right there and then.
Okay, and they answer the call. I really, not like AOL where you get like 7 months to try and cancel your account. All right. Well,
they're good on that. So which membership did you want to go for?
I don't know, regular, just a regular wash.
Regular?
Yeah.
You got it.
So it's $23, $23 only.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks. Yes, I'm still living in Chelsea.
I know you do, but you know they're doing because there's people behind.
Alright, people wait. That's what they do.
Keep this here because I might keep it, but
Come in here anytime. It's only they scan your window. They want to ask you for the money. Yeah, because the rollers pull you through. Your car can't resist. So you got to be in neutral. You have to put it in neutral, otherwise they can't push it because the gears will be locked.
can I open it? No. Oh, monkey, monkey.
Actually, it's good in the winter because you get all soap and shit on the car.
Yeah.
It eats the paint.
Hello guys, good morning. Magbabalik tayo doon sa garahean kung saan tayo magtrabaho. I don't need lights. I don't need lights. And pinasok ko ito, sili at saka kalamansi natin dahil ang ginaw sa labas. Grabe. Ito alam ko na kung saan sila ilalagay and then papunta na naman ako dyan na area. Simple lang ito guys, itapon, i-vacuum, i-arrange. Yun lang naman ang kapag kasi si Tami trabaho. Is pa isa-isa. Oh, I don't know kung saan ko ito ilagay. Idadump naman niya. Ganon, so nagkalat. Ganon siya, nagkalat lalo. So ako naman, for example, I'm going to start right here. And then, kukunin ko yun isa-isa. Isipin ko, ito dito to ilagay. Bago ako mag-forward, ilagay ko to dito ko i-arrange. Pagkatapos na, pag mahawa na, pag malinis na kaunting space, i-vacuum ko. Ganyan ako. So ngayon, ito dito, na-vacuum ko na to. At ito, alam ko kung saan ilagay. Basura yung wood na yan. Ito, empty na bin. Ito, ilagay lang to sa gilid. Yun lang naman, simple lang. Tami, kino-complicate lahat. Complicated man. O, diba? Sabi pa niya, arrange ako dito, pabayaan mo ako. So ngayon, dito, nagkalat dito, diba? So, yun siya, nagkalat. So, dito, inarrange ko, nilagyan ko ng bin. Ito, dito, kukunin ko na naman ito para ilagyan ng proper storage. And then, isipin ito kung saan ito ilagay or basura ba. Ganun lang, simple lang naman. Pero yan, anyway guys, pakita ko sa inyo later on kung anong ganap dito sa aking garayan. Okay? Ang dito lang naman is sobrang malalaki yung gamit dito guys. At, kunti lang ito guys, simple. Ifo-fold, itapon yung iba, linisin, i-arrange. So, yun lang naman. And then, itong asawa ko talaga. Yung window dito, nilinis ko ngayon. Meron na namang cobweb, spider web. Iwan ko na lang talaga si Batman. But anyway, keep going tayo guys. Move. Mag-start ako dito. Kasi nga, kailangan ko, may platform dyan eh. Kailangan kong i-arrange properly. Anyway, I will see you later guys. And si Tammy, busy pala siya. And then yun, anuhin ko lang itong maaga kasi bukas meron akong lakad. So yun, kasi nag-start ng maginaw talaga guys. As in, ginaw. Hi guys, andito pa rin ako. Hapon na. 3 o'clock na, andito pa rin ako. Yan, ito na yung lock. Makalat pa rin tignan guys. At least, alam ko na kung saan papunta, anong gagawin. And yun. So, vacuum din ako habang naglilinis. Yun, itong machine, dito lang ito. Ito yung pang ano din. Pang ano sa snow. Panglinis sa snow. And then, ito ding malaki na binigay ko kay Tammy. Look, snow plow. And yun, pero dito lang ito siya kasi nga, winter na. Guys, kagigising ko lang guys. Pinakain ko yung mga alaga ko. Sabi ko kay Tammy kung ano yung kakainin niya. Ngayon, sabi niya, itlog daw. Palagi na tayo nag-itlog nito. Wala na talagang pagbabago ang mga itlog ni Dong Tammy. Hurot na hurot. Hurot na yung mga itlog ni Dong Tammy. Anyway guys, so ilang itlog ba yung andito kay Tammy? Si Tammy is okay lang yung itlog niya, 4. Meron pa tayong itlog ni Tammy dito na 3 dosina. 3 dosina ng itlog. And guys, mag-Hawaiian with egg. Buti na lang meron pa tayong tomato na galing sa garden, mga ka-everything, mga guys. Hi guys, nilabas ko. Ilabas na natin ito guys. Kasi nga, pinapasok ko itong dalawang ito dito. So, ilabas natin, ilagay natin sa mainit na lugar. Dalhin natin itong malaking vacuum doon sa basement guys. Kasi kailangan nating maglinis para ilagay na natin yung mga halaman sa loob ng bahay para hindi mamatay this coming winter. Diba? Pagod na yung mukha na yan guys. Iwan ko na ako si Batman. Hindi lang yung guys, kalamansi, lime, at saka sili yung dadalhin ko guys. Pati yung halaman na buhay pa siya guys. Pwede naman siyang ilagay sa loob and then ilabas next year summer. Kasi alam nyo man, ang mahal ng bulaklak dito no. Kapag bumili ka ng mga display ng mga halaman para sa labas, mga outdoor, ang mahal kaya. So kaya buhay pa naman siya, ba't hindi natin ilagay doon dito sa basement? At sana mabubuhay naman siya no. I-update ko kayo guys. I-update ko kayo kung anong mga mangyayari sa mga gulay na pinapasok natin sa loob. Okay, so dito ko ilagay yung mga lime, kalamansi at ibang halaman na gusto kong ilagay dito guys kasi sayang naman yun pag sayang naman yun sila kapag itapon ko lang yung iba kasi yung iba okay pa eh. So let's see kung masave natin until next year kasi sayang yun, mahal din yun no. Then parang okay pa naman siya. Yun, tapos na ako sa mga gawain ko guys. Pinuntahan ko lang yung asawa ko, hinalik-halikan kasi nami-miss ko rin. O diba? Bye muna guys. Maphead daw guys, maphead daw siya. Parang ng map.